I wanted to talk to you today about some new home loan modification rules that are going to be coming out soon. All servicers are going to be required to get financial documentation up front and first. Now, there's been a lot of problems with loan modifications, and if you've tried to get a loan modification, you've kind of seen some of the problems with the banks, with the communications, with all the documents. It's confusing. It's one person tells you one thing, you call again, somebody else tells you something else, and they're trying to streamline it and get more successful modifications done, because up to now, honestly, it's really been difficult to get one. Once people get one, most people default because it's just not the right one for them. So there's going to be some new rules coming along, and only 13% of the trial modifications that get done these days even become permanent. That tells you, the problems that are happening, and a lot of it's kind of the documentation. Now, if you call up your bank and you want to get a loan modification, they're going to ask you a lot of questions. They're going to want to know a lot about your finances, how much you make, how much you spend, how much you have in savings, what your credit card payments are, what your car payments are, who do you pay, who do you not pay, are you delinquent, what's going on, what's your hardship. You need to have a hardship, loss of job, loss of income, payments gone up, your loan is recast, there's been a death in the family, there's been divorce, any type of hardship that creates some sort of hardship for you not to be able to pay your mortgage. And up to now, things have been pretty rocky, as you probably heard, seen on the news, and probably experienced yourself. So these new home loan modifications rules that are going to be changing, the servicers want to get accurate information up front so they can make a determination if you can qualify first for a loan modification, and if you do, what type of program, what type of payment plan they can put you under. And if you want to get into modification to prevent foreclosure anytime in the near future and beyond, you're going to need to provide a lot of your financial data up front. You need to provide your pay stubs. Usually they want several pay stubs from you. They want your bank statements. They want your tax returns. They want a hardship letter from you, written out why you're having problems paying, why you can't pay. If they require any other documentation, they're going to need to provide that. And if you don't, you run the risk of not getting the modification done. We have a couple of great articles about that on our site if you want to go on there and read a little bit more about it. It's a lot of great information. It's really hard right now, at least here in California. As of October, it's illegal for anybody to help a homeowner get a modification done and charge anything up front until the modification is actually complete. And that includes mortgage brokers, agents, individuals, attorneys. So it's become really hard because now the homeowner doesn't have a lot of options. They have a nonprofit, which a lot of times they're backed up because they got a lot of people and they don't have the capacity to do all these loan modifications and help people, or you got to go directly to the bank. And most of you know how difficult that's been. So we're here to help you. If you need any questions, if you have any questions, if you have comments, if you want to just get some pointers to get on track of how to get this done, how to stay in your house, how to prevent foreclosure, how to get a short sale done, deed in lieu of foreclosure, what do they all mean? Go on our website. We got some great articles. We do have an article here on the new home loan modification rules that are coming out. If you want to read that article in its entirety, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you. Our website is myhomeownerhotline.com, where it's all about helping you.